Hey guys, and what is up, and welcome back to Teenager Girl Vlog. Guys, guess what I have? Dun dun dun! I have my first ever phone. Guys, today we are going to be doing a unboxing video. You guys have been waiting for this unboxing moment to come. So guys, we're gonna get started. Oh, hell yes. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Okay, now. It's gonna take a little time. But gonna get the unboxing open. Guys, I'm trying to open this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now, okay, so let's see. Oh, it says Samsung case. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, guys. Look at this. Oh, guys, I am so excited. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, this satisfying phone. This phone looks awesomely sick. Oh my god, guys, look at this amazing cool phone. Okay. Guys, alright, so here is the charger. Here's the little cable. And here is the actual plug to charge the bad boy up. I am so excited. Let's see, is there anything interesting in there? Alright, so this is the quick start, the guide, the little guiding. Oh my god. This is really exciting, guys. Okay. Are you ready to see this satisfying? This is going to be so satisfying to open. A brand new looking phone. Okay, now, how do I open this? Okay, I think. Okay, guys, look at the satisfying moment. Guys, look at this. It looks awesome. Oh my god. Wow, this looks especially amazing, guys. I am so happy I got this new phone. And guys, once I get everything set up, so there's going to be a part 2 of where I'm going to be doing about what's on my Samsung A12 phone video. There's going to be a part 2 about where I get to show you every single bit. Show you the app, show you just literally everything. I am so excited. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing unboxing video. Make sure you guys smash like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and peace out.